Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the video. Today's video is going to be a quick one. I want to be making some engine brackets for the 4.6 double overhead Ford V8 engine, and there's two bracket possible holes you can screw in, and on the other side. So I'm going to make something simple and easy so I can lift the engine up, because I want to separate it from my engine cradle, and you can't really tie it to the header, and you can't put any pressure on the valve covers because these are like prone to crack. So I don't want to buy new ones, so definitely want to make something quick and easy. And I'm going to be doing that with this kind of steel. I already got a nice long bar, and I got this at Home Depot, so it should be a simple build. All right, so the driver holes are approximately 2 inches and 7/8, and on the passenger side should be the same, 2 and 7/8. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this probably like 4 inches. All right, the plate is 4.5 inches. It's gonna go like so right here. I know the surface is not even, but it doesn't have to be. So next thing I want to do is measure 2 7/8 inches wide, and I'm going to drill the holes into these. All right, here are my final cuts. This one is 4.5. Same thing with this one. This one is 4 inches, and this one is 4.5. So the way I'm planning to build this is I'm gonna put this guy like this, and I'm gonna weld this guy approximately like this. And I'm gonna have a hole right here, so it'll stay on the side. So same story with this guy. It'll be like this, and it'll have a hole on the top where I can put a hook on it. All right, let's grind this off and let's start welding. All right, here's the final weld. I really need a better welder because this one, even though this one came out good, but there's so much like spark overspray, whatever you want to call that. And here's this weld. I ran out of wire. And it's hot. But yeah, here's the final look of it. It'll be bolted like this. I'm gonna pre-drill a hole here. Actually, I'm gonna grind this off and paint it to look make it look better. All right, here's this one. Here's my weld. Looks pretty good. Just gotta get used to it, and also burn my fingers, so baking soda that is. All right, just gonna grind this off, and then we're gonna paint them. All right, here the brackets painted. They look much better. So now we just gotta drill a hole through here and add my clamps or hooks, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna put them on a car so you can see how it looks. All right, and here are the washers I bought to even out the engine mount to the head, because one side is lower than the other one. And this you can find at Home Depot, and also an anchor. I got 2 of these, which is kind of cool, so I'm gonna run them on. I'm gonna put it on the engine right now so you can see how it looks. All right, and here is how it looks. That's the bracket. Here's the anchor. So it's gonna be hooked right here, and also on this side. So this one is gonna stay right here, just like that. All right, this is how it's gonna look. As you can see, it's attached right here. It's not touching the valve cover or anything. I just need to lift up the engine just a little bit so I can change the cross member. If you guys like this kind of video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.